Let's bring in our guest analyst. It's going to be Oliver Slope, Blue Line Futures in the great metropolis of Chicago. All right. Anything jump off the page at you when I throw you those prices?
Well, we've seen a nice recovery rally this week, and last Thursday at this time, we were talking about it just seemed like the sky was falling, but we talked about there being potentially light at the end of the tunnel, a little bit of capitulation following just a plethora of bad news, and I think that we've seen a lot of that bad news play out, right? Last week, a lot of the selling pressure had been on the back of poor demand. We got some bad export data this morning. We saw more bad export data with net reductions for corn, but the market is still holding in there. So that kind of confirms the thesis that a lot of the bad news is known. And I think a lot of the attention is going to turn towards weather, especially ahead of a long weekend. So I do think that we can continue to stabilize and remain in a little bit of a holding pattern. Looking at that July contract, though, we're kind of approaching some big technical levels. $6 was psychologically and technically significant support back in March. It was the breakdown point in April, and it's now going to be resistance here in May. If the bulls can get out above there, potentially we spur a little bit more momentum just based on technicals alone. But again, it really goes back to the fundamental catalyst. We need to see demand improve to really get this market moving north again and getting shorts to cover their positions.
I agree with all that. And did you really reference Chicken Little on this show? Is that what you just said there?
I don't know, did I?
Sky is falling, Chicken Little, sky is falling. Well, you can be Chicken Little.
Hey, that saying existed long before Chicken Little, I'm pretty sure.
You can be Chicken Little, I'll be Bovine Big. How about that? All right, that's what we can do.
That's the deal.
We could go on the road. That'd be a good 1-2 punch. All right, great stuff. Stay right there. We're going to go away. We're going to pay some bills, and we're going to come back and talk more livestock with Oliver Slope, Blue Line Futures in Chicago after this.